Welcome. Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today we're doing something a little different. We're unboxing some FabFitFun. I have a quick story to tell you guys about this. So I watch Whitney Simmons. She's a lifestyle fitness influencer, and I love her. She's who I want to be when I grow up. And she does FabFitFun unboxings every single month. And every single month, I almost buy my FabFitFun box. And then spring came along, and I caved because I wanted these Key sunglasses, and they came in the box, and the box cost less than my Key sunglasses. So I have box number 1. And I liked it so much, I decided to switch to an annual membership so I could get more customizable options in my box. And then FabFitFun reached out to me and asked if I'd like to do a video with them. And I was like, well, I've already spent a whole lot of my dollars on your website, so sure. Enter the summer box. So we're gonna open this up and talk about what's inside and what I picked. But first, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, let's talk about it. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. You get full-size items that are like wellness, lifestyle, beauty. They come in 4 times a year, and it's $50 for every box, but every box has $200+ worth of product in it. Plus, you can use the code Kaylee for $10 off your first box, so really, it's $40 for $200+ worth of product. Oh, hello, Pippian. Would you like to tell them the next bit of news? FabFitFun is now available in the UK. Yay! So that's what it is. Now let's talk about what is in my customized summer 2019 box. So the first thing I got is this duo from Sol de Janero. I love this brand, and these products are some of my favorites of all time. First off, we have the Brazilian Foreplay Shower Cream Gel, which helps to fully clean your body very, very well without stripping the skin at all, which I love. My skin is a little sensitive and itchy pretty much all the time, and this doesn't bother it, and I think actually helps it to feel better and more soothed, but also it smells so good. It's like a full in-shower experience. I've been through 4 or 5 of these. And then they have the Bum Bum Cream, which has guara extract, which helps to enhance the skin's radiance. I love how this feels. It's the perfect moisturizer for me because it's very, very moisturizing, but not greasy. So I've been through a couple big sizes of this, and I'm happy to have a smaller size for traveling. And just in general, these two are so, so good. And the price of this duo is $45, which is about the price of the box. And so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these, stock up on my baby faves, and then get all this extra stuff for free. Except FabFitFun sent me the box. But if I was purchasing this, that would be my thought process. Okay, my next pick is something that I definitely needed. This is the Summer Rose Navy Diamond Tote. 100% cotton tote, features rope handles and a snap closure for easy carrying. Plus, it's big enough to hold your towel, cover up, SPF, and then some. But really though, it is ginormous inside and it holds a lot, but I'm kind of a small human and it doesn't look ridiculous on me. And it's cute. I did not have a pool or beach tote of any kind after moving. I guess I got rid of mine in that KonMari moving process, and I needed a new one, and I thought this one was super cute. And this retails for $50. It's really great quality, really cute, really love. My next item is the ODEME What a Pair Silicone Wine Glasses. You heard right. They are Kayley Melissa pink, millennial pink, but I call it Kayley Melissa pink. And it's what it sounds like. They're silicone wine glasses. They're flexible, they're not breakable, they're perfect for the pool or the beach with a little rosé to go inside. I mean, it's the cutest thing ever. If I had a pool, I would have a bunch of these and we would all drink rosés and it would be a great time. I'm just imagining my dream life right now. And this is definitely a thing that I would not know exists without FabFitFun. I have never considered searching for silicone wine glasses, so I'm really excited that I found them. And these retail for $25. Okay, so those are the first 3 categories, and whenever you sign up for a box, you get to choose your first 3 categories of items. You get 3 or 4 choices in each one. That's what I picked. The rest of them, FabFitFun picks for you based on a quiz that you do, and that way they find out what you like, what you don't like, what you're most interested in, all that kind of stuff. But if you want a little bit more say, you can go ahead and do the annual membership, and then you get to pick 5 categories worth of things, which is what I did when I bought my own box, because I love having that amount of choice and control. If you want all the choice, do the select membership. Okay, let's move on to the next stuff. So next we have the Eyeko London Eyeliner, and I've never tried anything from Eyeko. They've been a UK brand forever. I think they've just come over to the States, and I've heard they're amazing, so I'm very excited to try this out. I've really gotten into eyeliner pens lately. I don't know why. I used to only be an eyeliner pencil girl, but I'm starting to really love pens. Let's do a little swatcheroo and see how this one is. Let's see, can I write hi? Yep, I like this. And it's lash enhancing, oh my gosh, and waterproof. Yes, please. This one is $22 and I am excited to give it a try. Hopefully I fall in love with this brand. I've heard so many good things. Okay, so this next product is from a brand called Coola. I love their sunscreen. I have this like sunscreen serum for them, and I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it up on the screen. So good. I have one that I'm using and I have a backup of it. It's that good. But this is their makeup setting spray with 30 SPF. It contains 70% organic ingredients, water and sweat resistant, cruelty-free, vegan, recyclable, I mean, farm to face, that's cute. And this is what the product looks like. It's in this frosted kind of seafoam glass. It's so pretty. Let's give it a little test. Okay, that's very refreshing. It smells kind of cucumbery, kind of spa water-y. I've actually really wanted an SPF makeup setting spray because you can't reapply sunscreen under your makeup. Not how that works. So hopefully this works out for me. That way whenever I'm out and about, I can keep adding sunscreen in because you know, the sun ages you guys. Like it is, I think it causes 80% of skin's aging. That's what they taught me when I worked at Clinique. It's a lot. So SPF yourself. I don't know if I can keep that.
Oh, for sure.
And this one retails for $36. I am so excited to try this. I've almost bought it so many times, but like in that final edit where you're trying to like get your cart down, this one just keeps getting like bumped. I'm just so excited that you're finally here with me. And now, we're gonna finish off with the products that everybody gets in their box. So these last 4 are gonna come no matter what you buy, and you get to give them a little try. So first off, we have the Invisibobble hair ties. These are really good, and I love the colors that they chose. We have clear and kind of a beige. I like these the most for wearing around the house because they're very comfortable. They don't really leave a crease as much, and they're just so cute. These actually retail for $16, so this is a really nice thing to get in your box. It's a nice little way to try them if you haven't and stock up if you have. All right, the next one is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. What do you do? Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. Ooh, girl, I need that. Can I bathe in it? Ooh, this one retails for $39. But you get it in the box with everything else for $50 or $40 with code Kayley. Next, we have the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Oh yeah. Craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. Can you imagine by the pool when you're getting a little bit like warm and you just want a little spritz while you're drinking your frosé? I'm torturing my sister. She's overworking in the computer like 10 feet away from me, just glaring like, oh my gosh. Stop talking about pools and frosés if you're not gonna take me there.
That's 100% what's happening.
I love this packaging. This does look very refreshing. Let's just do a little like arm. Ooh. Yeah. 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 And this one retails for $26. Man, they're coming through with the ones that they're giving everybody. And the final thing we have, which I desperately need, is the WHISH Exfoliating Foot Mask. It smooths and softens and provides intense hydration. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, DEA and TEA-free. Oh, it's tea-free, just like me. Petrochemical-free, cruelty-free, and Leaping Bunny certified. Hey-oh. Yeah, it just smells lightly coconutty. I love that. Who else really needs to get their feet sandal ready? I need a pedicure, I need nail polish, I need a foot scrub. I actually hate getting my nails done, so maybe I'll just do a DIY at home manicure with this dude. Yes, please. And this one retails for $32. And that's everything I got in my FabFitFun box this season. The total for all the products I just showed you is $290.95, but with the box, it's $50 or $40 if you use the code, which is a great deal. It's basically about $5 a product, which you can't get any of these products for just $5. If I had to pick my top favorite, it would be the Sol de Janeiro Duo because I love these so much and you just can't get them for that low of a price ever. and you know, just stocking up on your favorites. Whenever you have something you love and you can get your hands on it at less than the ticketed price, it's a good day. Second, I love these silicone wine glasses. This is something I didn't know existed, and it's one of the reasons why FabFitFun is cool, because they have curators constantly bringing in cool new stuff that you maybe haven't seen before. This is a great example of that and something I'm super excited to try. Finally, the Coola makeup setting spray, because I've been wanting to try this forever and I have been finally enabled to do so, and I'm just really hoping that I love it as much as I hope to, because I will use it all the gosh darn time. Another thing I love that people don't mention enough in FabFitFun videos is that you also get access to these flash sales where you get similar prices on things as you do in the box, but it's just things you can add on to your box. So I got an R&Co product for way less than I would even pay with my professional discount at a store. I got some Oribe stuff that I'd been wanting. I got some grippy socks for Pilates classes, and they were all like 75% off of retail. So if you're like a really big sale shopper like I am, it's a good thing to be a part of, not just for the seasonal boxes, but also like all the fun stuff in between. So I wanted to throw that out there in case anybody else is a bargain hunter like your girl over here. So that has been this unboxing. I am so excited about it. I always love when I get to work with brands that I've actually already spent a lot of my own money on. And if you guys have tried FabFitFun, or if you're considering it, tell me in the comments below. If you're doing your summer box already, tell me what you picked. I want to see how much of our stuff is the same. I'd be super interested. And again, if you want to try it out, I'll link it below, and you can use code Kayley, which is Kayley. But that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and help support my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button to learn more cool things about hair and hairstyling and occasional product reviews. And of course, all y'all can hit that bell to be notified next time I post a video. But that's it for today. Whether you are new or old or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye! Can we focus, please? Thank you. Audio lines. Oh, are you kidding me? What should we do?
Don't cover up the llama.
Llama coffee.